Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by chopping chocolate into even pieces so heat distributes evenly. Use a microwave in 20-30-second bursts, stirring between bursts, or melt over a double boiler set near 50-55 degrees to avoid scorching. Once most pieces are soft, stir continuously to finish melting. This preserves shine and texture. Make sure the bowl and tools are completely dry because water causes seizing. Start stirring now and keep the heat gentle, because quick temperature control is the foundation for every chocolate technique that follows. Now you refine texture and flavor. If you need glossy, snappy chocolate, cool it to about 27-28 degrees, then gently reheat to the final working temp, around 31-32 degrees for dark. For ganache, heat cream to near simmer, pour over chopped chocolate, let sit 2-3 minutes, then stir until smooth, cool to spreadable consistency. Once done, fold in extracts, liqueur, or citrus zest at low temperature so volatile aromas stay bright. Make sure to taste and adjust intensity gradually. You can always add a little more. You're finishing. Pour, spread, or pipe the chocolate into molds or onto parchment and tap to release bubbles. Once shaped, cool in a stable environment around 16-18 degrees to set evenly and preserve shine. Rapid cooling can cause bloom. Store finished pieces in an airtight container away from strong smells and humidity. If something goes wrong, if the chocolate seizes or turns grainy, don't discard it. Warm a small amount of cream or cocoa butter and whisk it in to smooth the texture, then adjust temperature control next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.